Valentine's Day, guys. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. If you don't know me, if you do know me, you know my name's Amber. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this look. I wanted to do this look for Valentine's Day, but I also wanted to start my series of the 7 deadly sins. And as you can probably tell by the title and maybe the thumbnail and maybe my face, we're going to be starting with lust. So if you would like to know how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So, as you can see, I've already done half of my face, and I'm going to just start with the other one. I'm going to start with my lips because I've done half of them and I'm scared that it's not going to look right if I don't do them straight away, so let's just get on with it, okay? If we take... Happy Valentine's Day! And now I'm going to start with this cheek. First I'm going to go with the Louise base in Rude Boy Red. Just find where I did it on that side, about there-ish, and boom. I like to smile to find out whereabouts it looks the creepiest. And then I go over that one. And then I'll let that dry for a little while. Whilst I'm letting that dry, I have pre-cut out some little love hearts on some sticky stuff. I think it's like label maker, whatever. You could just use a regular old sticker if you wanted, but I just made my own. Got it. And then we just stick that on there to make sure none of that red stuff gets past my cheek. And then, oh my god, and then I use my concealer brush for that. I would have died. I'm just gonna blend this out ever so slightly. I'm just gonna blend it out with my finger slightly. So there's nothing better than a finger blend. Then I'm going to take the Juvias Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette, and I'm going to go over like the blush area. I don't usually do blush, so I'm not really sure whereabouts it's supposed to go, but this is like a costume look, so we can put it anywhere we want, really. I tried to put the most over the love heart so that when we take it off it'll be the one that's taken the most to it, and it helps blend that pink liner. This brush is actually really stabby. It hurts, god damn it. And then I'm going to take my Makeup Gallery All About That Shimmer, is that what it's called? All That Shimmer eyeshadow shimmer, and just use that for my highlight. Just put that where you wouldn't usually put your highlight. See, before this one I put the highlight on after and realised that it didn't make it look as good. Oh, look at that. If you find that, because I've got darker skin obviously, the love heart's not going to look as vibrant, so I just get my concealer brush. I don't put any extra concealer on it. I just put it in the little love heart. Let me just get my mirror out for this one because we don't want to mess this heart up. And I just go 1 and 2. Clean that bit up. And boom. I don't know if that made any difference, but I tried. I tried hard. Then I'm going to go back to the P. Louise black base and I'm going to underline this pink part, but on this side instead of the other side. And then we let that dry a tad. And we just blend, blend, blend. We blend as much as we can, trying to get a very seamless shadow so that it will look like our cheeks are hung. I don't know, it looks a bit like jowls on a dog. Insert jowls here. And then same again with the blending with the finger. It looks creepy when I smile. Hey, wanna play? Wanna play a game? And then I'm just gonna put some under here. And then give myself some pink dimension. Up here for the contour. We're basically just contouring with pink right now. I'm using the Zara part in the Saharan desert. Saharan desert, what am I on about? It's not called that. Saharan blush set. And then contour the nose. Hoo hoo hoo. And I'm even gonna give myself a red nose because Lust is a very, very pink lady today. And now we are going to go for the eyeshadow. I tried to do like a love heart thing on this side. I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of like straight up. I'm still going to do it on this side. I'm going to try not to let you guys down. So we start here and go like that. And we just keep going. We don't even care about that last part of eyebrow. We don't want it there anyway. And then we're pet. I'm gonna need some more for this operation. We're getting rid of the bottom of the eyebrow so that we can switch it for this part of the eyebrow right here. Just pet. I haven't got a glue stick. I've lost it, or I've lost my whole, like, I have a Halloween set for makeup so that I don't mix my Halloween makeup with my regular makeup because, you know, it's separate shit. Like, I can't be wearing fake blood on the weekend. I get kicked out of club. The glue stick, I'm pretty sure it's in there, but I can't find that, so you know how it is. I'm just gonna have to deal with no glued down eyebrows today. But I think that this one went pretty well, so there's no glue on the eyebrow whatsoever. So this one should just, you know, do the same thing, hopefully. Once I'm done with my base, I'm going to put the P. Louise basic bright colour on again. You know. Keeping going, like, up there. Just keep going. That's my motto. Oh, a bit of my hair fell out. Oh, I've got the thing in the camera. I always do that. I'm an idiot. Just wiping it on my leg to get some product off because this is looking at it, not like it's gonna blend any further. And we just tap it into the eyebrow because we don't want to be like that in the eyebrow because it'll just move the hairs and make them look not as flat, meaning the result just won't look as good. And then we're going to take some more of this and just connect this up there like that all the way until you get to about where this love heart thing is going to be. Oh, what am I doing? I'm going too far. I'm just tapping for the sake of it now. Okay, this one needs to come further out now. Right, that's better. Now I'm going to go, I don't know what I'm going to do. What am I going to do? So, then I'm going to take my P. Louise base once more. I think this is the last time taking it. It better goddamn well be, because I'm sick of this. I'm going to line the heart that we are going to be putting glitter in. See, I don't really feel like that looks like a love heart, but we tried. So that's just the way the cookie crumbles today. And now I'm taking, I don't know what this glitter is actually. Glitter Share. What? I don't know what brand this glitter is. I'll find out, and if I can actually find out, then I will put it in the, like, you'll have seen it written down already, and I've already talked about it for like 5 whole minutes. And last but not least, we have got the eyebrow to do, so I need to look at myself in the mirror. First I do the bottom part, and I just keep going. Okay, that didn't go exactly the way I expected it to, but whatever, it worked. And then I just connect that up here. And then I just paint all these middle parts. Just to put it in the eyebrow, the colour, just to tie it in with everything, because I feel like the eyebrows looked a bit too dark the first time I did it. So, if y'all want to know why I'm an idiot today, I'm about to give you the tea. So, I have a microphone that I could totally be using right now, but once again, my stupid ass has forgotten to plug it in. This looks fucking creepy as shit, man. Oh my god, just do it. What the fuck? I'm just gonna do the highlighter for the corner of my eye. That's a bit more on this side. And then some just above my cut crease. Oh, it's not a cut crease, just above my eyeshadow. And I put some here. And a big line here. And then some here. And on the chin. Take it on the chin. Now I'm just gonna take my hair out, get all nice, and then show y'all the final look. And that is the finished look. I am in love with this look. It is so creepy and weird, and I've never put anything like this on my account yet, but I'm looking forward to doing the next one. Also, let me know down in the comments below if you enjoyed this video, because if so, I'll try and do more series like this one, just so that y'all guys are watching what you want to watch, really. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, share it with your friends. I don't mind. So I'll see you guys later.